Hello students, hope that you are fine. Welcome to my geography video tutorial of mineral based industries in India. Mineral based industries, this is the third part. I have already discussed about the private sector and that public sector, whatever the iron and steel plants are there. Now, today iron and steel plant, in between that is Rourkela steel plant, about that I will discuss. Rourkela steel plant, same way, just like other steel plants. Why? Where it is, first you see that it is in Odisha, this place, Odisha, Rourkela. So, Rourkela steel plant, why is found only in Odisha? That means what is the favorable factors, everything we will discuss here. These plants is situated at the confluence of two rivers, that is Shankha and Koel. These are in Sundargarh district, and here this in Odisha, Sundargarh district, in the we can say that is in the north Odisha. This place is Odisha. It is found in the north Odisha. This plant was set up by the state with assistance from the German firm Kurup and Demang. Means with this foreign collaboration, this one is that is established. The plant produces heavy steel plates, sheets and strips which are used for the railway wagons, and then boilers, then railway coaches and shipbuildings, etc. It has fertilizers plant also. Then it is well known for its latest technology in the steel making and contributes special steel for vehicle related to the Indian space satellite program, and that is which is very important nowadays. Now let's see what are the favorable factors for, means why in Rourkela there is iron and steel plants are found. Here, same way, the some availability of raw material should be there, then only it is suitable for any industry. So, let's see what are the raw materials and from where we are getting that. Iron ore is available from Sundargarh, Keonjhar and Mayurbhanj and from Noamundi. Second point, coal. Coal is found from Jharia, Talcher and Korba fields. After that, next raw material is coming limestone and dolomite. Limestone and dolomite we are found from Birmitrapur, and manganese ores are available from Barachanda, that is not too much distance from that place. Then hydroelectricity, from where? Hydroelectricity, it is important. Power project, means power is very important. So hydroelectric electric power is from Hirakud power project. We are getting that hydroelectric power project power. Then water is supplied by Brahmani river, and it is also, you have seen that is also in the eastern side. So roads, transportation system means by roads and eastern railways, and Mumbai Kolkata railway system, southeastern, this is, we will see that southeastern railway is very helpful for that, transport facilities for the raw materials and raw material supply. And then market also, the surrounding states, same way, West Bengal, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, these are the surrounding states for the market. Means that the produced products are that is sale, and they are earning money. And then for running this industry, labor is also very important. So let's see that the labor from where? Labor also from the surrounding states, that is West Bengal, Jharkhand, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Andhra Pradesh, from there that the laborers are coming. Means laborers are coming for working this that Rourkela steel plant. And at last we can say that is that the Kolkata port also port facility also is very useful for flourishing this Rourkela steel plant. So I think it will be helpful for you. Thank you everyone.